House and lot, it's a new laptop. Puso! Feeling ko jowa. Hello! Hi! Mabuhay! How are you guys? I'm Anjhae. So today we are going to open a very mysterious box from Lazada. This is only 2 pesos and I ordered 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So yes, it's only 4 pesos. I don't know kung anong laman ito. First time ko umorder ng hindi makeup na mystery. So I don't know. Let's call the mystery box. So this is it. Tadaan! Yeah, as you can see, it's very heavy. It's so heavy. I don't know kung ano ang laman nito. And I bought this from the shop called Islaw. And yun, nakalagay dito 47.60 pesos. Pero kasi sa ano is 2 lang siya. 2 pesos lang siya. So ayun. Kita nyo dito 47.60 from shop Islaw. Yun. So this is, I really don't know kung ano naman ito. I'm so excited kung ano man siya. So, let's go and open this up. So, tingnan nyo na to. Sana, house and lot. Feeling ko, house and lot to yung titulo ng bahay. So, kung yun man yun, I'm so excited kasi it's gonna be, my studio is gonna be so big na. So, it's gonna be a whole house. Studio. My studio is gonna be a house. So, makikita nyo doon ng a very big upgrade. If ever house and lot. Or maybe, it's a new laptop. Oh my gosh, kasi naman, kailangan ko talaga this Christmas new laptop. Kasi sira na yung laptop ko, hindi ako makapag-play ng Dragon Nest, tsaka ng League of Legends. Baka naman, Lazada or Islaw. Thank you. Or baka naman puso. Oh my gosh. I think this is, may mga pusa dito feeling ko. Kasi yung, I miss my cats and, you know, I miss them so bad. Like, oh my gosh. Ow. Pero baka di naman, feeling ko jowa. Okay. Simple lang naman kung jowa to. Hindi naman ako sa mga high standards. It's just mga CEO level lang naman yung mga requirement. So, I don't know if it's good idea na nandito yung jowa ko. I don't know. So, let's open it na. Let's try to see what's inside the box.